to our channel Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now.
To our channel Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Song Exploder Season 2, new release date, cast, plot and more. Yes, now the rains sweep o'er his halls. The reigns of Castamere via way of means of Sigur Rós opens the doorways to a surreal and yet tragically lovely experience. Just like this, numerous different songs shipping us to a mystical world. But have you ever questioned what is going in the back of making those meaningful, touching numbers? Creativity, lifestyle struggles, the cap potential to imagine and quite a few paintings. Well, Song Exploder is a Netflix documentary which is primarily based totally on the podcast with an equal name. It narrates the entire technique that is going in the back of making a man or woman tune. Music lovers, particularly individuals who are fanatics of the podcast, may have already got completed binging on all of its episodes, so if you want to realize if there might be extra from the display, we have you ever blanketed. Song Exploder Season 1 launched on October 2nd of 2020 on Netflix, which consisted of 4 episodes. The podcast on which the display is primarily based has been on air given that 2014, offering a gamut of musicians to date. Therefore, there may be no dearth of content material if Netflix decides to head beforehand with more than one season of the collection. If the streamer greenlights the brand new season with inside a subsequent couple of months, we can anticipate Song Exploder Season 2 to most useful someday in October 2021. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and dates. Song Exploder Season 2 cast and who can be in it. Season 1 of Song Exploder functions 4 musicians with every episode targeted around one super mega celebrity and his or her decision on the tune. The singers are blanketed throughout the episodes encompass Alicia Keys, Lin-Manuel Miranda, REM and Ty Dolla $ign. They are followed by a way of means of their respective crews along with copywriters and producers who provide insights into what went on in the back of making the featured musical number. The podcast that has stimulated the collection has showcased many great musical icons over the years, which includes Björk, Metallica, The Roots, Solange Lord, Brittany Howard, Carly Rae Jepsen, The Killers, Iggy Pop, MGMT, and Weezer amongst others. So we can anticipate a clean batch of extraordinarily proficient musicians within the subsequent season. What can Song Exploder Season 2 be about? Season 1 throws the limelight on 4 singers and the difficult paintings that went in the back of developing a number of their maximum iconic numbers. Alicia Keys, who has composed a 3-hour drive changed into Far From a Sun at the time. She collaborated with Sampha, who had currently misplaced his mother, to present an entire new That Means Too Long. Lin-Manuel Miranda has observed his traces for Wait For It at the subway, even as REM's Losing My Religion changed into Created without a chorus. Finally, Ty Dolla $ign recounts how he had penned the lyrics for LA Inside Minutes, which changed into Then Made Right into a tune with Kendrick Lamar and Granny. Season 2 will dive into the innovative technique of creating a group of various famous songs, even as dissecting them layer via way of means of the layer. It will comply with the equal format, discussing the inception, creation, and legacy of the highlighted masterpieces. Alongside the featured artists, we can additionally meet those who helped them in crafting a number of the maximum iconic songs ever. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news, and update, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video, hit the like button and share with your friends to stay updated, and please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.
Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news, and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com. And if you liked our video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. To stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.